we are discussing about the genetic disorder. There are different two types of genetic disorder, that is the Mendelian disorder and the chromosomal disorder. Mendelian disorder means what? In which would happen, that is this Mendelian disorder which is caused due to the अल्टरेशन और म्युटेशन ऑफ द जीन. म्हणजे एखाद्या जीन मध्ये म्युटेशन किंवा अल्टरेशन झालं किंवा चेंजेस झाले, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द मेंडेलियन disorder. Okay, means in which what happen, that is the gene Mendelian disorder caused due to the alteration or mutation. Mutation means what? That is sudden change in a genetic material, or mutation means alteration of gene or sudden change in a genetic material of that of genetic sudden change in a genetic material, that is called as the mutation. And due to the changes which is happen in the gene due to the mutation, that is called as the Mendelian disorder. And in that Mendelian disorder there are different types of the disorder or diseases which is included. There is the thalassemia. Thalassemia, it is one of the blood related disease. Sickle cell anemia, it is also, we will discuss one by one. Color blindness, hemophilia and the phenylketonuria, all these are the disorder which is included in a Mendelian disorder, because this disorder which is due to the alteration or mutation of the gene. Another type of this disorder, that is the chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder, what happened here, in which it is caused due to the absence or excess of one or more chromosome or their abnormal arrangement, means in which the chromosome are responsible to form the disorder, that is chromosomal disorder. In which what happened, this caused due to the absence or excess of one or more chromosome, means we know that in the human being there are 23 pairs of chromosome. In that, one of the pair of chromosome will be absent, or one of the pair of chromosome which is add in that, or excess pair which is seen at that time, the different disorder which is seen. And this disorder which is due to the addition or deletion of chromosome, that is called as the chromosomal disorder. This or their arrangement is also differentiated, means arrangement is also affected to that of the chromosomal disorder, in which the different types are included, that is Down syndrome, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Down syndrome, which is related to the 21 chromosome, when this 21 chromosome number will be extra, that is Down syndrome will be seen. Then Turner syndrome, which is related to that of the 6 chromosome, and Klinefelter, it is also related to that of the 6 chromosome. Okay. Now we are going to discuss one of the topic, that is the thalassemia. And this thalassemia, it is one of the Mendelian disorder, in which what happened here, that is thalassemia which is discovered by one of the scientists, that is Curie, in 1925. In 1925 he was studied on the thalassemia, so that we are saying that he was discovered the thalassemia. Thalassemia, it is one of disorder which is autosomal inherited recessive disorder. It is one of the autosomal inherited recessive disorder which is having qualitative and quantitative in a nature. Thalassemia, it is one of the disease which is related to blood, and in which this thalassemia which is seen into human being, and mostly it is seen in the in India, and it is also called as the Mediterranean Sea disorder. Mediterranean Sea disorder means what? Near to that of the Mediterranean Sea, most of the people people having the thalassemia. म्हणजेच हा जो डिसीज आहे थॅलेसेमिया, त्याला मेडिटेरेनियन सी डिसऑर्डर सुद्धा म्हटले जाते, कारण की या मेडिटेरेनियन सीच्या आजूबाजूचा जो एरिया आहे त्या एरियामध्ये आपल्याला थॅलेसेमिया जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात दिसतो. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे त्यामध्ये इंडियामध्ये आपल्याला थॅलेसेमिया जे आहे ते जास्त प्रमाणात दिसेल. Second important thing is that we are saying that thalassemia, it is also called as the qualitative and the quantitative thalassemia. this quantitative and qualitative means what? That is depend on the quality. That is called as the qualitative. Changes or defect in the quality of the, for example, quality of the hemoglobin. Means we are saying that thalassemia, it is it is affected to that of the hemoglobin. It is affected to that of the hemoglobin of that person. Hemoglobin मध्ये affect करता म्हणजे कुठे करणार? We know that hemoglobin, it is one of the molecule, it is the globular in a structure and it is made by 4 chain, that is 2 alpha and 2 beta chain. आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये 2 alpha आणि 2 beta chain दिसेल. It having 2 globular in a nature, means in which, that is what happened here, that is this one like that of structure which is seen 2 alpha and 2 beta chain, and in the center hemoglobin molecular ions are seen. This is one of the rough structure, and in that there are different 2 types of thalassemia, that is alpha thalassemia and the beta thalassemia. In the alpha thalassemia, what happened? We are saying that this is caused due to the defective formation of the alpha globin chain. Okay, अल्फा ग्लोबिन चेन मध्ये आपल्याला काय दिसणार? डिफेक्टिव्ह दिसणार किंवा अल्फा ग्लोबिन चेन ही डिफेक्ट मध्ये दिसणार, अफेक्ट दिसेल. ठीक आहे, याच्यामध्ये चेंजेस दिसेल किंवा इफेक्ट दिसेल त्यामध्ये. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द अल्फा थॅलेसिमिया, मीन्स विच इज कॉज ड्यू टू द डिफेक्टिव्ह फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द अल्फा ग्लोबिन चेन इन द हिमोग्लोबिन. म्हणजे हा जो अल्फा chain आहे, this is the part of hemoglobin, and this alpha globin chain will be defective, that is called as the alpha thalassemia. In that, what happened here, that is the structure of alpha chain will be changed, that is the alpha thalassemia disorder, in which, that is comparing to that of alpha thalassemia, beta thalassemia, which is caused due to the formation of beta globin chain, in which what happened, that is beta globin chain will be defective. This one is the alpha and this one is the beta. This beta chain will be defective, that is called as the beta thalassemia. Another important thing is that is the alpha globin chain or alpha thalassemia, which is the, what happened here, that is the latter controlled by 2 genes present on the chromosome number 16. Means these 2 genes which is affected, that is HBA and HBA1 and HBA2. A1 and A2 means what? That is A1 or A2. HB means hemoglobin, A1 means what? Alpha. Okay, these 2 genes which is present on the chromosome number 16, means in which we know that is one of, this is, for example, this is one of the structure of chromosome number 16, and on that alternative form of gene which is present, we know that is on the chromosome alternative form of gene which is present, and one of the HBA1 and HBA2. These 2 gene which is affected, or 2 gene defective gene which is present on the chromosome number 16, at that time alpha thalassemia which is seen. Understand what we are saying? That is the alpha thalassemia which is caused due to the defective formation of alpha chain, and how it done, because on that number of on the 16 number of chromosome HBA1 and A2, these 2 defective gene which is present on the number of 16 number of chromosome, and it affect to alpha thalassemia. Okay, second important thing, that is in the beta thalassemia, what happened, that is this beta thalassemia which is controlled by the single gene, that is HBB on the chromosome number 11. म्हणजे हा जो बीटा थॅलेसेमिया आहे, बीटा थॅलेसेमिया काय म्हणतो आपण, इट कॉज ड्यू टू द डिफेक्टिव्ह formation of the beta thalassemia chain, and on that chromosome number 11, the gene which is present, that is HBB, and this HBB means hemoglobin, and in which this B means what? Beta globin chain which is defective, and this HBB which is responsible to defect the beta globin chain of hemoglobin, and on that which chromosome number? That is the 11. That is called as the beta thalassemia. Okay, it is one of the difference between the alpha thalassemia and the beta thalassemia. In that alpha thalassemia, 11 chromosome number 16 will be affected, and beta thalassemia chromosome number 11 will be affected. In which alpha globin chain will be in the alpha thalassemia, alpha globin chain will be affected. Beta thalassemia, in the beta thalassemia, beta globin chain will be affected. So what are the symptoms of that thalassemia? That is, we are saying that anemia. Anemia, it is one of the symptom which is seen into alpha thalassemia and the beta thalassemia, in which this we are saying that thalassemia, it is related to that of the hemoglobin, and anemia, it is also related to the blood. Okay, this अगर म्हणजे जर ब्लड जे आहे ते अफेक्टेड होत आहे, हिमोग्लोबिन जे आहे HB which is HB hemoglobin structure will be changed. At that time the level of blood will be affected. Means in the anemia what happened? That is the shape of RBCs will be changed. RBCs change means hemoglobin का structure change होता है, तिथे hemoglobin चा structure change होता है, म्हणजे तिथे क्या होता है? That is the change of shape of RBCs. Okay. Second, one of the symptoms of this thalassemia, that is pale yellow skin. The skin color will be pale yellow in a nature. That is jaundice. Also, we are saying that jaundice. Jaundice, it is also one of the symptom of the alpha thalassemia and the beta thalassemia. One of the another symptom, change in the size and shape of the RBC. I already told that is the anemia. It is one of the symptom of thalassemia. So that in which what happened here, that is the change in the size and shape of the RBC. Then another symptom, that is the slow growth and development of the slow growth and development. Means when the person which is suffering from the thalassemia, at that time the person having slow growth, and also in the development, it is also one of the symptom. Then the dark urine which is in the color of urine which is change, and all these symptoms which is seen in the alpha thalassemia and the beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia, in which one of the thing is remaining, that is we are saying that thalassemia, it is one of the qualitative and quantitative disorder. Qualitative and quantitative disorder. Why we are called as the qualitative and quantitative disorder of the thalassemia? Quality will be changed, okay, and quantity will be changed. That is called as the quantity. क्वांटिटी चेंज होईल आणि इथे काय होणार, क्वालिटी चेंज होणार. क्वालिटी चेंज होत आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल दिस थॅलेसेमिया रिलेटेड टू hemoglobin, and in which the numbers, for example, numbers of hemoglobin, it is one of the chain of hemoglobin. There are normally जे proteins आहे, normally completely numbers of protein, for example normally 150, for example number of proteins, the chain of globular chain having 150 amino acid. but जर तो पर्सन थॅलेसेमियाने सफर असेल तर इथे 150च्या कमी म्हणजे 120 चे सिंथेसाइज होणार अमायनो ऍसिडचे. दॅट इज चेंज इनटू दॅट ऑफ द क्वांटिटी. ओके, दॅट टाइम वी आर सेइंग दॅट द डिसऑर्डर विच इज क्वांटिटेटिव्ह इन अ नेचर. अंडरस्टँड. म्हणजे एक फॉर एक्झाम्पल घेतो आपण की नॉर्मल जो पर्सन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला 150 ग्लोब्युलर चेन पाहिजे, हिमोग्लोबिनचे ग्लोब्युलर अमायनो ऍसिडची चेन पाहिजे, पण त्याच्यामध्ये 150 न होता 120 होत आहे. म्हणजे तिथे थॅलेसेमियामध्ये अफेक्ट आहे, तो काय करणार, नॉर्मल रेंजपेक्षा कमी सिंथेसाइज करणार. त्यावेळेस तिथे आपण तिथे क्वांटिटेटिव्ह डिसऑर्डर म्हणू. आणि क्वालिटी म्हणजे समजा आता आपण म्हटलेलं आहे की इट इज ऑल्सो ड्यू टू द mutation, it is also one of the gene which is having numbers of gene are present, and on that one of the alanine replaced to that of the one of another amino acid. Okay, for example alanine च्या replacement मध्ये दुसरा adding व्हॅल्यूज समजा इथे आपण रिप्लेस केला तर इथे काय होत आहे, नंबर्स चेंज नाही होणार, तर इथे फक्त काय होणार की अमायनो ऍसिड चेंज होत आहे. ओके, सो दॅट इट इज हॅव्हिंग टू दॅट ऑफ द qualitative disorder. Okay, this is one of the difference of qualitative and quantitative disorder of thalassemia, and all over about the alpha and beta thalassemia. Okay, thank you.